Okay, so hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is general health, career, finances, and spirituality reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising for the month of June 2026. Please keep in mind these are general readings. This might or might not resonate. Okay, for personal reading, healing session, check out the description box. Will find the links below, and for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start, Libra. Let's see for your health what we have. Sorry, for this week. Yes, for this month. So health includes all kind of health: mental, spiritual, physical. Okay. Let's see. So for your health, we have the star card. There is going to be a lot of improvement and a lot of healing happening. Especially if you guys are going through some kind of health issues, you guys will be able to recover. You guys either will be able to find some kind of solution to the problems that you guys are facing, and or you guys will be able to recover from a very difficult to deal with kind of a situation. There's going to be a lot of healing and positivity and a lot of improvement in your health. Okay, awesome. Guidance, there is a chariot. Keep moving forward. Okay, do not stop. Whatever you're doing is working out in your favor, especially if you're doing something good. Okay, if you are like alcoholic and smoking and all that shit, and then you are making fun of me, you're doing this, then it's up to you. Fuck you. I don't give a fuck about your death or your existence on this planet Earth and beyond that also, right? What I'm trying to say here is if you're doing something really positive and it's working out in your favor, just keep doing that and keep moving forward. Do not give up on your health and yourself, because it's happening. The healing is happening, the positivity is coming, and a lot of good things, good vibes, and good energies are coming in. Okay, so don't give up. I should sleep. I should sleep. Yeah. So if you are trying to achieve some kind of goal, let's say in weight goal, muscle gains, or something like that, there are strong possibilities of having that kind of energy too. Okay, let's say for your career, whether you are doing job or business, we have the hermit. There is going to be a lot of thinking going on, a lot of contemplation going on, a lot of this energy of what should I do, what should I not do in this direction. Maybe there is some kind of pauses happening or delays happening, but there is a lot of reflection going on in your life regarding your career, what you should be doing next and what you should not be doing next. And there is this energy of should I or should I not, something in your career regarding something like maybe job change or maybe altogether a career change. There's a lot of contemplation and thinking going on, not a lot of action is happening. You guys are trying your best to use your wisdom, knowledge, experience to your favor. Guidance is the seven of swords. Beware of people pretending to be your friends, but they're actually not your friends. They are your enemies, and they are pretending to be your friends. Like especially in your work environment, there are certain people that are making you feel like okay, they're your friends and they're there for you, and they're helping you and all that shit. But they're actually doing something that they should not be doing behind your back. It's like a snake here. Sneaky people, sneaky energies around you, deceptive energies around you are there, and if you are not going to take care of these energies, these people, if you're not going to be aware, there is some kind of deception coming in very soon. Okay, so beware of people trying to figure out each and everything about you, trying to get all the answers from you. They are trying to get like your plans or something. Okay, so don't share your personal things, don't share your plans, and don't share what's happening next to anyone. For those of you who are looking for another opportunities, whether fresher or experience, whether job or business, we have the Ace of Swords. After lots of confusion, ifs and buts, and this and that, there are good chances of you getting a good opportunity. Success. This is victory after a lot of conflict and chaos that is happening for you guys. There is a brand new opportunity coming in. This is not going to be an easy opportunity. This is not going to be an easy breezy kind of success. This is after a lot of struggle, lot of conflict and chaos, and maybe lot of uh, unstable energies. Should I not, but finally you guys are going to decide to give a shot to something, and that's going to become a really successful and victorious kind of energy for you guys. Guidance here is the Knight of Pentacles. Take it slow, take it really very slow. Something that you know is good for you, is definitely you should pursue, but at the same time slow down, think about all the positives and negative things, about the long term consequences of your decision or your choice, and take it as like, if it is possible, have a step by step process. Have like a, think about it properly, do it, but take it slowly, okay? Or don't take it too seriously, because this might be something that you might not be able to do for the rest of your life or something, right? So before committing your whole life to something that you might or might not like, try to take it slow and try to do it in a like a gentle way. Like, look out for 1 month or 2 months or 3 months or so, and then decide if you want to proceed further for the permanent thing, or you should just do something else. For your spirituality or healing, we have the Nine of Cups. A wish fulfillment, a desire fulfillment is there. You guys are going to feel extremely happy, because something is going to work out in your favor, something will start working out in your favor. The spiritual growth you are hoping for, or the healing that you are doing, something is going to start working out in your favor, and you guys are going to feel very very happy. It's like a wish fulfillment, something that you were, maybe you have set a target or something for your healing or for your spiritual growth, and when it is happening, it's going to make you feel extremely happy. Okay, a wish fulfillment, awesome energy. Guidance is the Wheel of Fortune. So keep that in mind, that nothing is permanent. This experience is also not permanent. This is not your final destination. This is not the final outcome of your journey. So have this energy in your mind, have this tattooed in your mind, that everything shifts and everything changes with time, right? Nothing is permanent, nor is your happiness, nor is your sadness, nor is this experience, nor the other, nor the other experiences that you are going to have in the coming future. So okay, just go with the flow and try to accept the changes with each passing day, the changes, and things that are not going to be the same, not going to be same. So basically things are not going to be the same always, that you have to keep in mind, and just keep going with the flow, and embrace the opportunities that changes are going to bring. Change is the only constant. That is the exact thing that I wanted to say. Okay, let's see for your finances. Before proceeding further, let me invite you to my 7 days, 7 Osho meditation workshop that I'm taking online from tomorrow till the 11th of June 2026, 4:30 till 5:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, in English and in Hindi. Both instructions are going to be shared, and the fees is very affordable. It's 3,500 for Indians, and for others it's 125 USD, and it's going to be a life changing event for you guys if you want to start or restart your spiritual or healing journey, or if you want to enter into Osho's world. This is a really great opportunity. So what are you waiting for? And read all the instructions and everything before you guys are going to apply properly, because it's a non-refundable thing, and I can't provide the recordings because I'm not allowed to do that. Okay, so I'll see you on the other side. I'm very excited, and even if one person is going to show up in the workshop, I'm ready to move forward, because I have to start this thing, start this work of mine from a long time. Now the time has come finally. Okay, for your finances, we have the Knight of Cups. We have a good news coming in for you guys, Libra. For your finances, there is going to be improvement in your finances, whether your investments are going to give you good returns, and or you will be able to save more. Whatever the case may be, there is some kind of good news, growth and expansion and happiness coming in your finances. And it's going to be something not that much like huge or that much drastic, but this is something substantial. This is something noticeable. This is something that you guys can feel like, okay, things are working out in your favor in your finances finally. That's really cool, very cool energy. Guidance is the Justice. Just make sure that either you are going to make money with the legal sources, or you are not going to do anything illegal or anything that you should not be doing, because it's going to backfire in the coming future. If you are planning to do something that you should not be doing, or if you are doing like some kind of thing that might not be that much illegal or wrong or something, but it can have a long term consequence. Try not to be trapped in some kind of too good to be true kind of things, or scams of like people giving you double the amount in 2 days, 3 days, 15 days, 20 days. Try not to get involved in these kind of ponzi schemes, or these kind of ponzi schemes, or these kind of scam or fraudster energies, because it's not going to go well. It's going to end up in a disaster. If you have already done that, stop that. Stop investing further, okay? Because this might backfire. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.